when you talked about in the APM squared, I know I'm going through all your stuff now, but APM squared, and you talked about trade adjustments back and forth between these different trade structures. It's huge. Being able to comfortably flow, and I'm saying flow on purpose, flow back and forth between these different structures. You know, take a rock trade, and to not have the adjustments feel like adjustments, but you're flowing with the market. The market's changing, your P&L is changing, it's going up and down. This is okay. You know, this is all right. You've got safety nets on the rock. You've got defined losses. You've got profit targets. Just let it go. And it's a very freeing thing if you can not feel like it's like a broken machine. It's jerking back and forth into position. And there should be some detachment within the safety of defined rules and a defined plan.